I will walk you through the existing features and the newly added ones in MindNote. The first thing we'll want to do is go to Profile Settings and choose between Dark Mode or Light Mode. For the purpose of this demo, I will select Light Mode. In Profile Settings, you can upload your profile picture, username, email, and you can access privacy settings. MindNote is currently compliant with GDPR and CCPA regulations. You can change your password or delete your account anytime. The first step in creating a note is to add a new group. We're going to name Productivity. If we click on the group, nothing shows up. We can create unlimited subgroups and create notes and save them within those subgroups. We are now going to create a note and add it to the Productivity group. To do this, we need to click here on the plus button. This plus button will take us to the text editor. We can add a cover image. It's important to note that in order to save a note, the note must include a title and a body text. This is mandatory. You choose how to write the information. For example, you can use paragraphs, or you can use bullet points, based on your preference. In my case, I'm just going to paste some brainstorming ideas as a numbered list. Great! If we scroll down, we'll see this bar here. This bar allows us to modify the text that's already written. Note, it's important to write the text first, and then type your prompt into the AI field. AI won't modify anything with an empty text field. You will see a hint explaining that you can use commands such as keep this text or add. With those commands, you can keep the text as it is and let the AI add more information. If you want to change the entire note, you can use any other commands, such as summarize, translate, or create a list. This will remove what's already written and replace it with new content. In our case, we only want to add more information. After we finish our prompt, we just click the Process button. And now we have 2 more generated. Ways to increase productivity. These are the newly generated. This is the HTML view. But then we can see a WYSIWYG design mode. The blue highlight indicates the last AI edit. Let's keep it in HTML for now. You can select a word, a series of words, or a whole sentence or a paragraph. If we select a portion of the text, we can modify only the highlighted text with a prompt. we'll notice that our previous text has been changed. To customize a note, we can change its color, and then we can add it to our newly created group, which will appear here. If we add any subgroups, they will appear here. But since we didn't add any subgroups, we can just save it directly here. If you want to extract information stored in an image, such as a screenshot, a picture from a book, or an ad on the street, you can upload it and convert it into text. Done. There are some other cool features. You can open the speech-to-text feature by clicking this button here. It lets you dictate and converts your words into text. It transcribes your own voice, or other speakers as well. It can capture an entire lecture or meeting. The only limitation is that speaker identities are not tagged. If you have a video, for example, from a lecture, a product demo, or even a meeting, you can paste the link. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and it will transcribe the audio into text. Our video has been transcribed here. MindNote can extract information from almost any source. With this feature, we can also insert basic formulas and adjust simple formatting. If you have virtual meetings, like Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams, you can paste the link. And a bot will join your call after the call ends. All the transcriptions from the session will appear here. The speakers can be identified in real time. If the transcription hasn't been completed, you can either refresh or click Force Completion. Longer calls require more processing time. Let's add one of our conversations to the notes. It indicates the speaker and time frame. We can also add comments to our notes. For example, you can select this and create a comment. Next time we create any comment, we can see our past comments, and if we click on any of them, it will be highlighted. MindNote currently allows you to export as PDF, Excel, Word, or Markdown. Markdown is especially useful for users who use other AI note takers like Notion. You can export the Markdown and upload it to Notion. Preserving your formatting. With this feature, you can find and replace words. MindNote will highlight the found matches for you. When you do formatting, like bold or underline, it will be shown in the design view. I prefer the HTML view. Here you can see your text history, and you can go back to a previous version if you've made edits with the AI and don't like the result. You can always revert to an earlier version. Let's say this note is ready to be saved. Your note will appear here. If we click on the productivity group that we just created, the note will appear there too. You can either erase the note completely or share it. Either is private. Private means read-only. But the public one allows others to copy, edit the note, and save it as their own if they have a MindNote account. We can generate the link, and they will see something like this. If they want, they can add more information to the note. And when they click Create Your Own Copy, a new note with the same information will automatically be created in their account. For this to work, they need to be logged into their MindNote account. If not, they will be prompted to create an account. If you're a first-time user, you can click this button to start a guided tour. And if you need help, you can contact support or go through the knowledge base. That's it for now. Enjoy using MindNote. MindNote is available for web, Android, and iOS.